everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a student looking to create a professional CV in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. Whether it's for an internship, a part-time job, or a scholarship application, having a well-structured CV can make all the difference. There are many online tools and templates are available that can help. But in this video, we're making it from scratch. So even if you are not familiar with Microsoft Word, you will be able to create your own CV by the end of the video. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Word. Click on Blank Document. Go to the Layout tab. Set the page size to A4. Page margins to narrow and spacing after paragraph to 0. Go to the Home tab. Choose a readable font. Set the font size to 12 points. Text alignment to justify, and line spacing to 1.15. Now start typing. Type your full name. Set the font size to 18 points and make it bold. Below it, add your phone number, email, and address. Now we will start creating sections, starting with objective or summary section. Write objective as the heading and to make the heading prominent, set the font size to 14 points and make it bold. Click on the borders. First select bottom border and then top border. Go to line and paragraph spacing. Select line spacing options and set the space before and after to 6 points. This section is a brief 3 to 5 sentences summary about you, in which you can write your career objective or goal. I already have written all the text on the notepad, so I will copy and paste. Next, write education as heading and apply the same formatting as the previous heading. You can use Format Painter, just as I am doing. List your education in the chronological order. Means list the latest degree first in the following pattern: degree name, school, college, or university name, and year of study. If still studying, add expected completion year. You can also mention grades or GPA. Format the text just like I am formatting. Balance the spacing using the Tab key. Apply the bullets to enhance the readability. To apply custom bullet, go to Bullet. Select Define New Bullet. Click Symbol. And choose the symbol you like. In the next section, we can mention our courses, internships, achievements, and projects. Just make sure to name the heading accordingly. For example, if you want to mention your projects, then name the heading as Projects. In this example, I will create a section named Courses, and will mention the online or other courses that I have completed, following the exact pattern for the Education section. If you have none of these, you can skip this section at all. Next, write Skills as the heading, and list all the relevant skills that you have. Try avoiding buzzwords. Instead, mention the skills that can correlate with your education, courses, or experience. I have listed all the skills that can well align with my courses. Format the heading. Next, write Interests and Hobbies as the heading and add your hobbies, for example, blogging, sports, and reading. All these can help to describe your personality. Remember that recruiter may ask about anything you have written in your CV, so think before you write anything. You can add section as much as you like, but don't exceed more than 1 page. These sections are optional, but to fill up the space, I will make another section named Languages, and will list the languages I know. At the end, I will add a References section. In this section, we can mention our references, stating their name, designation, and contact information. If you don't have any references, you can leave the section as such as I am leaving. Before finalizing, I will give final touches. You can follow along to stylize your CV. Finally, save your file. Go to File, select Save As, and save the file. Also export as PDF to keep the formatting intact. And that's it. You now have a professional CV ready to apply for jobs and internships. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want a free CV template. See you in the next one.